Another glitch, guys. Another glitch. This is a stack, basically a stack discount from the Flex. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. My subscribers and likes. Big shout out to Ephraim at Deal Team 6. He just posted this deal not too long ago. Alright, so this is what's up. This is the Flex 20 volts, half an inch brushless cordless drill driver, 2 lithium-ion batteries, charger included. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video to this deal. So this one, it is $229. It dropped down to $179, but it does qualify for the buy more save more, so you guys know where I'm going with this. So once you guys, so we're getting a discount already from the store, plus we're getting another discount with the buy more save more. When you guys stacked all the deals up at the cart, you guys are going to get the buy more save more off. So these are the older batteries. That's what they're trying to get rid of them, because they're bringing out the new stuff. So this is still a pretty solid drill. I've had these tools for quite a while, and they are solid. All right, so you add it to the cart basically, and then you're going to add 2 more to the cart, and then they're going to drop down to, I believe he said $129 on his end. On my end, it drops down to $130, guys. $130. However, I did do something different. So I didn't put the same. Tool. I'm just gonna do something different for you guys, so you guys will see what the prices are on some of these tools. So I ended up putting an impact driver kit. So I did find an impact driver kit with the same discount. It's a little bit more money, but it is worth it. This impact driver's a beast. All right, so this is not the, keep in mind that this impact driver is not, it looks like it's not the quick eject. So it's not top of the line, but it is a pretty good deal. Both of these are not top of the line, but this is still a pretty good deal. You're getting a big battery and a small battery. But check this out. The angle grinder drops down to $130. I don't know. I'm thinking about getting the angle grinder. So I already have both of these tools, at least the higher end ones, the turbo and the quick eject. So I'm thinking about getting this angle grinder. $130, that's a really good deal for the angle grinder. So guys, pretty good discounts on these. Like I said, if you want some spare tools, if you guys want to move into this line, this is the perfect time. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.